must remember that the month of Muharram is a highly emotional period. This strong emotion should be utilized by our religious leaders to convey the message of Karbala. The goal is to awaken a hatred towards everything Yazid represented and to reignite a dedication to Islam as preached by the Ahlulbayt, and for which Imam Hussain sacrificed his life. We cannot continue the misconception that Azadari Hussain simply involves the mourning rituals of shedding a few tears, engaging in Martyrdom, and participating in processions. These actions are merely the means to an end. They hold significance only if they lead each of us to become better Shia Muslims compared to the previous year. And if we lose sight of these objectives, we may find ourselves accountable for forgetting and trivializing the cause for which our Imam sacrificed so much. Imam Hussain himself advised a Muslim who claimed to be a Shia to fear Allah and refrain from making false claims. Otherwise, on the Day of Judgment, he may be raised with the liars. The Imam further stated that our Shia Muslims are those whose hearts are free from ill will, deceit, and corruption. Their words and actions are solely for the pleasure of Allah. During the upcoming month of Muharram, we must sincerely ask ourselves this question: do we intend to commit ourselves to Imam Hussein's objectives, or do we wish to continue passively, offering only superficial mourning for his martyrdom? While I pray that we begin, as we should, to comprehend the philosophy of Azadari Hussain and make a genuine commitment to the goals of the King of Martyrs, I genuinely hope that we never reach a point where our gatherings are replaced by sterile lectures devoid of all emotion. Reason, when accompanied by emotion, has a more lasting impact. It is precisely for this reason that as a reward for the rationality of the Holy Prophet's message, Allah instructs him to seek no recompense other than the love of the Ahlulbayt. However, love as an emotional force becomes hypocrisy if one fails to recognize and follow the desires of the loved ones. May all our Muharrams serve as true demonstrations of our love for Imam Hussain, combining emotion, reason, and dedication to his cause.